Good afternoon. Today I am about to show you the vehicle Defender, which defines Land Rover as a brand more than any other car. Designed for purpose, engineered to excite, this 4x4 truly shows you what 75 years of innovation looks like. This comes in 3 body styles, 90, 110 and 130, which has the engine option of 2 litre, 3 litre and 5 litre in petrol, and you also have the option of 3 litre diesel as well. Now if we talk about front, it has got the massive front hood connected to the grille, which has the off-road centered Land Rover badge. You also have the front bumper and cladding, which yells out aggression in its own way. Still, you get the utility approach which this car is known for. Now, if we talk about the headlights, it has got a squared shape headlights, yet DRLs are kept in a round manner just to showcase how Defender was originally designed. You also get the additional off-road element which you can use to keep your utilities while you are having an off-road adventure with your family. This 110 has got 20-inch wheel as standard. You also get the option of 18-inch, and there are various number of options in terms of 19-inch and 20-inch. You also have the option of diamond ton alloy wheels as standard in this particular Defender X. If we talk about off-road element, this has got the air suspension which can lift your car up to 291 mm, and it also has the wading depth of around 900 mm, which will ensure that you will have a safer adventure ride with your family. Now let's talk about back side. You get the Alpine lights which will breathe the light into the rear cabin of the car. Now let's talk about back. Here you get the sill hood design completed with the spare wheel cover mounted on the rear opening of the door. Inside you get massive 500 liters of boot space. Along with that you get the rear recovery eyes of orange color, and the tail lights kept also in squared manner and stretched far apart to give you the massive look that this car is known for. Now let's get into the driver's seat, which is the most exciting part about this car. With this new vehicle, it takes minimal effort for the driver to test the off-road capabilities of this particular car. The defined 95% aluminium chassis ensures you get a lightweight vehicle. You can also see the structural beams over here, which is also a part of the chassis that has been converted into the front dashboard, along with the powder coated cross car beam, which will give you a tactile texture pattern. Elsewhere, the cabin continues the rugged theme by having rubber floor mats beneath the seats, which in turn offer reliability that this vehicle is all about. It also consists of configuration as 5 seat in standard model, yet you also get the option of 6 seat in the front, which will remove your armrest and the whole console over here. If you don't want to remove the front refrigerator and the console, you can also have 2 seats in the back that are child rated, that can also be flattened out to create the boot space that will support you wherever you go in a long life adventure. A new PV Pro system assures you of the quick responsiveness, and it also consists of a 4G SIM which can update your system effortlessly, and maps can be kept in the current format, which in turn offer you the sense of trust towards the technology. The cameras are standard and can stimulate different views around and outside of the car, just like seeing obstacles underneath the car to precisely position its front wheels. The new air suspension comes with adaptive dynamics as standard, which means we no longer have to compromise on our driving style. We can also have a long travel route planned, and when we wish to take things other way, it also ensures that the vehicle is already been prepared for even before you think of doing it. Here you get front 2 seats as ventilated in this particular model that can be turned on over from here. And you also get the rear heated seats as well, which comes it as a standard.